In today's video, I'm going to show you the only real way to contact LinkedIn customer support so you can finally get some help and move on with your day. We've all experienced it, a LinkedIn glitch that drives us absolutely crazy. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the one and only method that actually reaches LinkedIn support. Before we dive into the steps, there are a few critical things you need to know. If you ever see any website claiming to have a LinkedIn customer support phone number, it's unfortunately a scam. LinkedIn does not have a phone number for customer service, nor do they offer a direct chat line that you can access anytime. The truth is straightforward. The only legitimate way to contact LinkedIn support is through a support ticket. Other methods simply won't reach them. You might also stumble upon tutorials claiming you can contact LinkedIn support without logging in. But if you scrutinize those guides closely, you'll notice they still require you to log in somewhere within the process. So steer clear of those misleading tips. Just one last reminder before we jump into the steps. Even after you submit your support ticket, I can't guarantee that LinkedIn's response will always be fast or perfectly clear, but I can assure you that a support ticket is the only official channel they actually use. All right, let's get into the steps. There's one part of this process that might feel a bit confusing, so keep your focus here. Begin by going to linkedin.com/help/linkedin/solve/contact. Once you're on that page, you'll want to click on Create a Support Ticket. Here comes the crucial part. You'll see several help categories listed on the screen. No matter how tempting it might be to click a category that matches your issue, refrain from doing so. Clicking on those categories will only trap you in an endless loop of help articles without offering you a way to contact support. Instead, simply click on Other. At this point, LinkedIn will ask what you need help with. What you want to do is type your issue into the box that appears and then press Enter. LinkedIn will propose some help articles for you to skim through, but if you're serious about reaching support, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create a Support Ticket again. You'll now arrive at the form where you can describe your issue more thoroughly. Make sure you fill out all the details and, if necessary, attach any screenshots that might help explain your problem. After you've completed the form, go ahead and submit it. This is your official support request, and again, remember, this is the only method that reaches LinkedIn's customer service team, and that's how you contact LinkedIn customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.